What's up, everybody? It's Ben Bloomley. We're out at Marsh Harbor, one of the island's most exclusive and gated communities. Now, come on, let's take a little tour of the inside. And let me tell you something. If you want an entrance, you want a foyer to impress your guests, check this out. Grand staircase all the way up. Upstairs, you're gonna have 4 of the bedrooms, including the master bed. Easy convenience for all those children that you wanna kind of maintain and keep an eye on. When you walk in, you've also got right here one of the most formal and elegant sitting rooms. I don't even want to take one step in here, it's so amazing in there. But on the other side, beautiful grand dining room. Now come on, outside of that dining room, I'm gonna take you over here. The owners had just recently updated and renovated this entire kitchen. Completely white tops, white cabinetries, beautiful natural light that's just pouring in here. So outside of this, huge, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seats over here. But in the morning when you wake up, don't worry about going over here. Let's go over here to your own private little coffee bar, make a little coffee station. Late night when you get home, if you want a little iced cocktail, come down, get some ice. Who doesn't like a little ice tray there? Now, if you do make that cocktail late night, you wanna go out, come on. Another addition years ago that the owners added, which I love, covered back porch, fireplace, TV up here for all the football games in the fall. And then behind it, which I hope you'll be able to see, is 1.23 acres of land. All the privacy on all corners for your kids to play, throw parties, whatever you want to do. It's absolutely breathtaking. Hey, get out of here. Go finish the rest of the house. You want to walk out your master? Check this out. Overlooking your backyard, take your drink, take your coffee, enjoy the views out back. All right, so upstairs on the left-hand side, you've got 2 bedrooms that do a nice little Jack and Jill bathroom. So come on through the bathroom into the other bedroom right here. Now, let's cross over, come through this absolutely beautiful entrance over here, all the way across. Once again, master on here, and then you've got your 4th bedroom upstairs right here. Cool thing about this bedroom, you have your own ensuite bathroom that, I guess the old child would probably really enjoy right over here. All right, so upstairs is done. Let me take you back downstairs. I'm gonna show you that 5th bedroom I told you about before. So when you come back down the steps, we're gonna go wrap around to the left side of the house. You've got your family room over here. You come down and actually a really cute little half bath I wanna show you. This was absolutely just recently converted brick tile, one of my favorites that I've seen in a long time. So through here is your 5th bedroom. It's got your closet. It's perfect for that in-law suite or guests that you really want to be separated because all the other bedrooms are upstairs. So come on, come out of the 5th bed. We're gonna loop back into the family room, showcase that kitchen that I absolutely love. Come back for a cocktail or whatever you want later on. But that's all I can show you here today. I hope you love it. I hope you come back and see it. Now I'm out of here.